These are the NEWER replacement batteries for cameras that take the EN-EL25 battery. I use a Nikon Z30 and it takes this battery and they fit in there just as good as the original battery that came with the camera. This charger here has a little display on it so you can see how much charge you have. So when I put two NEWER batteries in, you can see how much charge each one has. And the best part about this charger, it even takes the Nikon battery that came with my camera. You can charge that too. These are great batteries. They perform just as well as the standard Nikon battery that came with my camera. That's something that was really important to me, to make sure I get a battery that has likewise performance, because sometimes you have to start off with one battery in there and you can't always prioritize the native battery. Much cheaper than getting a standard battery. I'm really happy that it came with a charger, because not all batteries come with a charger. It comes with the card, but you do have to get your own box to plug it into, or if you have some USB outlets, you can plug it straight into that. Really happy with this. So if you're looking for some replacement EN-EL25 batteries, or just to have some spare, I highly recommend you get this set of two from NEWER.